On Monday, Iraqi soldiers said they had retaken a key government compound in the center of Ramadi, a city held by Islamic State since May. Iraqi troops could be seen driving through the war-torn streets, flying the country's flag. Iraq's military announced the news on state television.
لقد تحررت مدينة الرمادي ورفعت القوات المسلحة من رجال جهاز مكافحة الإرهاب الأبطال العلم العراقي فوق المجمع الحكومي بالأنبار.
The army has been fighting to retake the city on and off for months and began its push towards the city's center over the last 3 weeks, backed by airstrikes from the U.S.-led coalition. Operations continued Monday to clear remaining Islamic State militants from other areas of Ramadi, security officials said. Many of the group's holdouts had fled the city before as Iraqi forces advanced. The retaking of Ramadi, a Sunni Muslim city about 60 miles from Baghdad, marks a major turnaround for Iraq's military and deals Islamic State its third major loss in as many months.